Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope everybody's doing well today and that you have had a lot of time to crochet and craft over the last few weeks since I have been here. It's been a while. Things have been really hectic around here and just a lot of property stuff, shearing sheep, putting sheep back in for breeding and getting turkeys and just a lot of stuff going on. My son got a new puppy, a little boxer puppy, and so I've been taking care of him off and on when my son has to go do things. So that's taken up some time. But I'm back. Things have been winding down, so I think we're back on schedule again, which I'm so happy for because I miss making my videos. I miss the interaction with you guys. So I think everything is going to be good. Okay, today I don't have any works in progress, but I have definitely been working. I have a bunch of finished objects to show you. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I have definitely not been idle with my crafting. Okay, first thing that I want to show, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see a lot of the finished projects already. But let me see. No, I got them all. Okay, thought I missed one. Okay, the first one that I want to show you is called the Rustic Star Ornament. So, right there. And this I got off of the Crochet Spot that I have brought up to you guys a lot before, crochetspot.com. This is an easy pattern. And they were very, very easy to make. I decided not to make mine rustic, with rustic colors. I decided to make mine more in the blues, kind of like more of a beachy color theme, like different colors of blues and like the sandy colors and stuff like that. So these are the ones that I made. And these are just using the worsted weight. I think this is probably Super Saver, but it's the soft one that feels really soft. And then I just had ribbon, tied a ribbon, knot in the ribbon, just put a gem in the middle, backed it with felt, sewed on felt on the back. Now I did make a hole back here because there was a hole in the middle. And then after I got to looking at them, I decided I wanted to put a little sparkle in there. So I put the gem in on the front. So there was really no need to have put a hole in any of the backs. But what are you going to do? That's what I did. So anyway, it's okay. So there's that one. And then there is this one. And this one is made out of a thick, might be loops and threads. This is a much thicker yarn. And these were all just scrap yarn that I used, so I don't really know what they were. I'm just trying to use up scraps. And so there's the back. And then here is like the sandy, the beach, the sand color. One, and then the back, and then here's the blue, and then the back, and then these last two are smaller, and they were made with a different kind of thread. but it's like the fibers stick out on it, and I kind of like that. It's kind of, there's the back, and I'm going to show you in a minute what it was. And then here's this one, and I know you can't really, I don't know if you can see the fibers sticking up there or not, but yeah, it's just like little fibers coming off of the yarn. So these are all of them. And what these two were made with is this. It's very thin, but like I said, it's scrap, so I don't really know. It's very thin, but as you can see, there is fuzz, like a halo of just fiber. And that's how it is. It's just, it's like that, but it's very thin. And it was variegated, and so it gets darker. And so this same ball right here made this, but it also made this. That's how the variegation, it goes like extreme dark, and it just works its way into a lighter color, and then a really light color. So I did those, and like I said, if you're interested, it's crochetspot.com, and up in it says search, there'll be a search bar. You put like Christmas ornaments or something in there, and then it will take you to all of the ornaments that they have, and then that's where I found these. So very easy, very fun, very quick pattern. The next one I want to show that you probably, if like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because you will see a lot of this stuff that I have made, whether it's crochet or cross stitch, will be on the Instagram. That way you can kind of keep updated. But I made this little robin, Christmas robin. And here it is. This is from Ravelry, I believe. So just go to Ravelry and put Christmas robin ornament or decoration, and you will find it. But this is a very easy pattern. This took very little time. Very little time. And of course, the bigger the hook and the thicker the thread, the bigger the robin would be. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this. It's really cute. Really, really cute. Love its little tail. The back, the wings. So I made that. And then, I don't remember if I showed this. It's been like so long and so hectic. But I made the two sheep. I think I showed you those. They were small, they were sheep, they had like a scarf around their neck. And one of my subscribers suggested, why don't you try making them with like the fun fur, or with fur that, you know, that kind of fur. So I thought, well, that's a good idea. But I wanted to make it a little bigger than those two. So I did use the fun fur, and I did like it. So this is what I made. And I really like how the fun fur sticks out, because yes, it does look like wool. So I don't know who said that either, but who, if you're watching, thank you. Great idea. And I'm going to make more of these. I'm gonna make a set of these for my cousin that owns this property. I'm gonna make him a set since they are, you know, into the sheep and everything. They do sheep, so I'm gonna make some of these. And then here's the back. Very cute. Love it. So I made that, and that pattern is right here. Way down here, really small. So that's the pattern, and it's called Festive Sheep Ornament. And this is from www.stitchandunwind.com. Stitchandunwind.com. Right up there. So if you want to get the pattern for that, it's stitchandunwind.com. Unwind. So that's where I got that. Cute. So cute. I love the little sheep ornaments. And the last thing that I made was, I was telling you I was going to start a shawl. That I had won a shawl pattern from Holly over at the Proper Pineapple. I had won the amigurumi. She was having a stitch along or crochet along, and so I was one of the winners of that. And part of the prize was we were gifted a Kelsey shawl. And so here's the Kelsey shawl. And I just want to show you and then spread out. I used this Cupcake Loops and Thread or Lion Brand Cupcake yarn. And that's basically the color scheme. And it's called Pot of Gold. Probably won't be able to see that, but Pot of Gold. And this was part of what I had won in the giveaway as well. So I thought I would go ahead and make the shawl. So here it is. I'm just going to go up. And then sideways. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love how it just, you know, any way you want to do it, wrap it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So soft. Cupcake yarn, this stuff is soft. I did not realize that, but this is so soft. So I made that as well. So I have been busy. I have definitely been crafting during all of this period of time that you haven't seen me. I have definitely had my had the mojo going, and everything's good. I did want to show you that when I did my crochet carousel package unboxing, that Holly from the Proper Pineapple, please go check her out. She's amazing, really. You guys would really enjoy her videos. Anyway, she had gifted me the spine and the little shoe pads to go in one of her dolls that she has a doll pattern out for. And she had told me that she would send me the doll pattern. So I got the doll pattern. I didn't have it when I did the unboxing. So I wanted to share this with you. But this is the crochet pattern. The doll is called Lavender. Is that not a beautiful doll? And I can't wait to get started on it. I need to order the cotton yarn for her skin, and then I will be ready to get started on her. I'm not sure about her coloring, about everything else, but I do not have skin colored cotton yarn, so. But when that comes in, this is definitely going to be a start. I mean, just beautiful. So please go check out Holly at The Proper Pineapple. Yeah, she has her doll patterns. She has a website. And yeah, just go check her out. You know, tell her I sent you. And yeah, subscribe to her because she, you know, she sells her doll patterns and the spines and the shoe things to go in them, and just a number of things. So I think she has the Oscar the Grouch pattern. She made an Oscar the Grouch, which is adorable. And can't think what else she has in there. But yeah, go check her out. Can't wait to get started on this. Okay, I think that's it for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for continuing to support my channel. Even when I've been away like this, you guys have stuck with me, and I appreciate it so much. I've missed, really missed making my videos for you guys. And now that everything has settled down, I can get back on schedule and start making videos again, which I'm so happy about. So anyway, thank you all so much. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. It does mean a lot to me that you do take the time to watch and to share my videos with others. I do appreciate it. So until my next video, everybody take care.